This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Peggy Conklin. Enjoy waterfront living at its best in this move-in ready 3-bedroom, 3 full bath split floor plan with 2 masters. Freshly painted, inside and out with new landscaping. Open floor plan with lots of storage. This beautiful pool home is what Florida living is all about. Living area opens to the pool area completely redone in June of 2021. Pool has been resurfaced with quartz surface, new tile added. New pavers throughout the patio and screens replaced. New owners will be the first to enjoy this updated pool. Garage features newly epoxied floors and a pegboard wall. A shared, lit boardwalk takes you over wetlands and out to your own private, covered boat slip with a lift. A short ride to Haines Creek where you can access Lake Griffin, Lake Eustis and the Harris chain of lakes. Don't miss this opportunity to own this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below.